Meaning of escutcheon.
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 Escutcheon. An escutcheon is a shield-shaped emblem or symbol that is often used to represent a person, family, organization, or country. It typically features a design or coat of arms that includes various colors, patterns, and images that have specific meanings. The escutcheon is often used in heraldry and can be found on flags, seals, and other official documents. In modern usage, the term escutcheon is also used to refer to a protective plate or cover that is used to conceal keyholes, door handles, and other openings or fixtures.